guys, it's Becky here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be teaching you how to use CapCut Pro for free. You know, for some few months now, CapCut has tagged so many of their features pro, like background. To change background, to remove background, you have to pay before you can use it. But today I'll be teaching you how to use all these features for free. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe for more tips like this. So let's head over to CapCut. First thing to do on CapCut is to import the video you wanted to edit. Okay, let's start with changing of background. As you can see, the BG remove is a pro feature. So click on background remove and click on auto remove, and your video background would automatically change to black. And now CapCut will show you that you are using a pro feature. But don't worry, continue what you are doing by going to background, click on it and select the background you will be using. And your video is now set to use. So here is where the magic comes. What you have to do in order to use the feature for free is to go to your menu bar and tap on your screen recording. Then come back to CapCut and turn your video to full screen and record the whole video. After that, stop the recording and go to new project. Import the video that you recorded. Click on transform and rotate the videos, and after that go to aspect ratio. Click on YouTube ratio, which is 16.9 or 4.3, and your video is good to go. If you also want to remove the background noise of your video, you can as well use their enhanced voice feature, which is a pro feature to remove background noise. Just click on enhanced voice, then screen record your video, but please make sure you increase the volume of your video before you start. So after recording the whole video, remove the enhanced voice and then reduce the volume of your video to 0, and click on audio, click on extract and extract the voice from the video you screen recorded, and your video is set to post. So do this in some of the features they tagged pro. Do your screen recording, just twist things and use the feature. Then after, just do your screen recording and you can still use CapCut Pro for free. I hope you learned something today. Please stay tuned for more tips like this, and please, if you have not subscribed, please support your girl by subscribing, liking, commenting. If you have any question, just drop it in the comment section and I will answer you.